Hello and welcome to the course navigation video. In this video I'm going to show you the best way to view the content of the course, how to view your assignments, and the interactive activities for each unit. So the best way to view the content of the course is to go up to the blue toolbar, click Content, and mine is opening up in Unit 1, and you're going to see there's a Unit 1 overview, we have required readings, we have an interactive activity, there's the discussion, and your assignment. So everything is contained in each unit. So you click the overview, and it's going to give you the learning outcome. It gives you a little introduction, the learning outcomes, what we're going to do in this whole unit. You would use the arrows to move to the next item. Here's your required readings. It gives you a little brief overview of what it is, and it gives you video instructions. Now this is all on SimNet, but you would click the videos to view the resources. So to move along to the next section, you would use the arrows. And here's where you come to your unit activities. So this one, I'm just going to go through it with you. I've already taken it once, I'm just going to take it again. I'm just going to go through it fast so you could see. You would have to go in, you'd read the question, select the answer, and I did not choose that one correctly. Next question. Again, I'm not reading these, I'm just going through. But you would work through the entire activity, you'd go through the questions, you'd hit next to get to each one. I just want to take you to the end of the activity so you can see how to move on. So you keep on going. You click on it next. 2 more questions. Next. Submit. Okay, your quiz results. This is the important part. You have to score an 80% or higher on these activities. So you would take the quiz again. Once you get your 80%, you'd move on to the summary, which states you have reached the end of this activity, and you may move on to discussion 1. So again, you'd use your arrows to get to discussion 1. So each unit is set up the same exact way. Unit 2, I'll just go in, and it shows you the overview, the required readings, the activity. Here's your assignment.